We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you got to do. You thought we wasn't finna be back? So you thought it was over? What's wrong with you? So you thought we wasn't finna be back? Yeah, we only pay the drivers $2. So what? And they better drop that order off and take a picture, or we might give them a violation. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna be redoing this reaction video because I messed up my audio last time, but that's okay because I'm FDA. This is gonna be another audio test because I'm trying to make sure that Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to another video of a Doordash driver playing a prank on a customer. Now, I do want to warn you before we start this video, do not try any of the things that this dasher did because it could lead to some safety concerns, not only for the customer and yourself, but for other dashers out there as well. And also, hit that like and subscribe button. Stop playing with me, bro. What the hell?
You got the McDonald's? Think fast.
No. No.
No. I'm just playing, bro. I got your shit right here, bro. It's mine. You ain't get. Oh, you need a napkin and shit. My bad. Hold on. I got you.
Stay right there.
Nah. He say wait right there. You know what that mean. Whenever somebody say, yeah, hold on, just wait right there, that mean when they get back, you definitely don't want to be there because they definitely coming back with something that they didn't have before. Listen, Doordash drivers, make sure you practicing safe delivery procedure when you out there. No need to be playing pranks on the customer. If you want to make a prank video, I advise you to stage it because in the day and age we live in, it's too dangerous to be out here playing pranks. It's already dangerous enough being a Doordash driver. You out here got delivery drivers getting shot, robbed, you know, not only by the citizens and criminals, you getting robbed by Doordash too. So you definitely don't need extra things out there making it more dangerous for dashers to make their money. And you can see in the customer eye, this man was pissed off. I mean, he was about to take it to 100. Just look. He was happy. He ready for his food. Next thing you know, boom. He like, oh no. Look, he laughing because he can't believe what he just seen. And what I'm trying to tell you is, look, at the end of the day, while this may be entertaining, it may be funny to watch, this is bad for the overall Doordash community. Not only because, you know, this customer probably never going to order again, but, you know, he going to be on the lookout and he not going to be playing no games. You know, next time a dasher come up, he going to be on full edge and full alert. And then next dasher probably going to have a bad experience because of what this dasher decided to do. We ain't going to be doing a whole bunch of editing on this video. Guys, let me know what you think about this dasher's actions and let me know what you would have done if you were the customer and you were put in this situation. I'm gonna let you know right now, if it was me, I wouldn't have told him hold on right here, wait, I'll be right back. I would have been ready to fight. We would have been fighting before he even handed me my actual order, because that's just the type of person I am. I don't condone violence. I'm not saying violence is the answer, but I know in a split second when some things like that is happening what my initial reaction is gonna be. So, you know, look, Doordash drivers, I know you guys are the ones that watch this channel. Don't do this. Use this as an example of what you shouldn't do. And let's try to promote being safe out there so we can make sure that we all make it back home to our families, because that's what's important. Now, I know you're getting 2 uploads in one day and you're not used to that, but that's how you're getting it today. You're just going to have to be all right with that. But I'll tell you this. If you got any videos you want me to react to, any DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub screenshots you want me to analyze and break down, or if you want me to just shit on the customer a couple times for you because you don't want to get deactivated, don't you worry. I got you. Send me that information. Send me them screenshots. dashingtraderfda@gmail.com. I'll be posted up over there waiting on you. Send them to that email so we can go over them. And before we end this video, I want to quickly say shout out to all the channel members. If you want to become a channel member, hit that little join button down there. It's right next to the like and subscribe button. You know, get you a membership, support the channel. I appreciate you. But to all you already supporting the channel, I know I just said that twice. I appreciate you, because twice make it even more nice. And look, that's all I got for you. I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, keep dashing, make that money, and decline all clown offers.